Hello and welcome back to Puerto Vallarta. Today we're stopped at a wonderful little restaurant. Recommend you guys try out La Cura de Hidalgo. La Cura de Hidalgo. But anyways, it's this wonderful little restaurant over here. Has awesome margaritas that you'll get for roughly about $2.50 US, 40 pesos, 45 pesos. They do daily drink specials for $1, usually to beers or some other drink. Has an excellent little snack bar. Really recommend the Ceviche. And you know, it's a great stop. We're about a block north of the Malecon or the boardwalk, so kind of look for it.
And we're on Venezuela.
And just to the other side of it is a nice little open square for the church and kind of the school, so kind of look around and can see where it is.
And the margaritas are huge, so you want them. But great place, great if you're traveling on a budget. Be sure to check in for more thrifty travels.